Say hello to smarter account planning with Revegy's Account Insights dashboard, your command center for optimizing revenue and prioritizing high-potential accounts. The dashboard gives sales teams and managers a holistic view of account health and activity, all in one place. At the top, you'll see up to 4 configurable widgets, providing a snapshot of metrics like average health score, past due activities, or updates required. Below, a comprehensive data table delivers the full story: contacts, revenue growth ideas, maps, tasks, and more, helping you assess account completion, compliance, and quality. Need to zero in on what's important? Use the quick filters to show only my accounts, start accounts, or filter by groups and owners. When you're ready to share or analyze externally, export your current data view to CSV in seconds. Click the kebab menu next to easily access the account, sync from your CRM, or select View Opportunity Insights for a focused breakdown of that specific account. Admins can create custom views for specific roles, teams, or business units, so everyone sees what matters most to them. Pin key views for quick toggling, or set a default view to make it your starting point every time. Each view can include up to 4 widgets, or none at all if you prefer a clean data-only view. When working inside an account, no need to switch screens. Click the Insights gauge icon in the top right corner. A side panel will slide out with key metrics, recommended values, and any pinned views, so you can take action instantly. With the Account Insights dashboard, your entire team is empowered with the clarity and intelligence to drive smarter strategies, strengthen relationships, and grow revenue, account by account.